Well, I have given the lecture in my Zoom class, chapter number 18, the Centreville Ghost, page number 169. Okay, I have explained its lesson 1, its episode 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alright, now we will go on the comprehension. What kind of day is when the Otis family is on the way to Centreville Chase, and how does the atmosphere change after their arrival? Okay, means they are asking about the weather and atmosphere of the day when the family arrive. It is available on page number 171. The question number 1 answer is on page number 171. Here, as Centreville Chase is 7 miles from Escort, the nearest railway station, Mr. Otis had telegraphed for a wagonette to meet him, and they started on their drive in high spirit. It was a lovely July evening. Okay, the answer is here. It was a lovely July evening, and the air was delicate with the scent of the pine woods. Now and then they heard a wood pigeon, or saw deep in the rustling fern the burnished breast of the peasant little squirrel stared at them from the beech trees as they went by, and the rabbit scudded away through the brushwood. As they entered the avenue of Centreville Chase, however, okay, Chase यहाँ तक, like this. The answer is here on page number 171. It is the all scene. You can take out the answer from this scene number 2. Alright. Now question number 2. What is Mr. Omni's views of the stain on the carpet, and how does it differ from what member of the Otis family think about it? Okay. They are asking about the stain, blood stain. The blood stain which was unremovable. Okay. What Mr. Otney thinks about it. What Mr. Otney views about the stain on the carpet. The views is on page number 172. In its episode number 2, it is here. Okay, in this scene we learned that there was a blood stain here. Here we learned that there was blood stain which was unremovable, but the person removed it by a detergent which was for a while removed, but after in the morning it was reappeared. So the comment was that the blood stain cannot be removed. Omni say the blood stain cannot be removed. It is the answer of question number 2. What is question number 3 asking? How did Mr. Otis react when the ghost first appeared? In what way was this not a typical reaction? Means whom are they asking? How did Mr. Otis react? Mr. Otis ने क्या react किया? How? What was the reaction of Mr. Otis? On lesson number 4, on page number 174, you will find the answer in this paragraph. You can take help from this paragraph on page number 174. The answer of question number 3 is available in these lines. In this, they are asking, Mr. Otis, I really must insist on your oiling those chains, and bought you for that purpose a small bottle of the Tammany Rising Sun lubricator. Means what they asking means the reaction. How did Mr. Otis react when the ghost first appeared? Means when the ghost first appeared, Mr. Otis gave him a lubricator to polish his rusty chain. Got it? Question number 4. What was the ghost's reaction to this treatment? When Mr. Otis gave him a lubricant, what was the reaction after that by Mr. Otis and by twins on their encounter? The ghost reaction. What was the ghost reaction? The ghost stood quite motionless. On lesson number 5, the answer of question number 4 is here. That ghost stood quite motionless, then dashing the bottle violently upon the polished floor. This was the reaction of the ghost. Let's come on question number 6. What did the ghost feel about each member of the Otis family and how was it going to take his revenge? Means the ghost wanted to take revenge of the each family member. How did he take revenge? The revenge was here on this page number 177. On page number 177 you will find the entire answer of question number 6. Here it is. It is here on lesson number 7. Okay, it is starting from here. On reaching his room, he entirely broke down and became a prey to the most violent agitation. For some days after this, he was extremely ill. Who was extremely ill? Mr. Washington, the youngest boy of the family, was extremely ill and frightened the United States minister and his family. Who frightened? Obviously, the ghost frightened the minister and his family. Who was the minister? Mr. Otis and Mrs. Otis and their children. Okay, here you will find the Washington. Otis' room gripped at him from the foot of the bed and stabbed himself 3 times in the throat to the sound of slow music. He took the revenge to the Washington Otis. Got it? And his wife here. Here you will find the answer about his wife. The state minister and his wife, what did the ghost do with them? And there to place a clammy hand on Mrs. Otis' forehead. Ghost had a clammy hand on Mrs. Otis' forehead while he hissed into her trembling husband's ear the awful secrets, because she used to open the secrets about the ghost to the ear to the Mr. Otis. Got it? So this is the answer of question number 6 you will find. This is about the, on the next page is about the twins and the other person. Let's see question number 7. What is it asking? Does the Centrevilla ghost behave like you would expect a typical ghost to behave? Means this is your own view. You have to answer it by yourself. Got it? Now refer to the text. The refer is asking, it has been well known for 3 centuries and always makes its appearances before the death of any member of our family. This refer is taken from page number 170. Here it is. Here it is. Page number 170. It has been well known for 3 centuries. What are they asking about? What are they telling us? They are telling that the ghost appearance had been well known for 3 centuries and always make its appearances before the death of any member of our family. Okay, which I explain you in the lecture. So what are they asking? Who says these words and to whom were they said? Look at here. These words said by Lord Centreville. किसने कहा था? Who said? Lord Centreville to Otis, to Mr. Otis. इनकी वाइफ ने हस्बैंड से कहा था. Got it? What is question number 2 asking? What is the speaker referring to and why it is remark being made? क्यों कहा? किसके बारे में कहा गया? This was said about the ghost. This was said about the ghost. Okay, because he did not believe it. Okay, it was said about the ghost because Mr. Otis did not believe about him. Now question number 3. Question number 3, C is asking, what reaction does the speaker get to this comment? क्या reaction थे speaker के after this comment? Look at the reaction. The reaction was, there is no such thing, sir, as a ghost. The reaction was, he said, there is no such thing. It was the reaction. Got it? Now look at refer to text 2. What is the refer asking? The strange noise still continue and with it he heard distinctly the sound of footstep. From where it is taken? It is taken from page number 173. Here it is. The strange noise still continue and with it he heard distinctly the sound of footstep. Okay, it is taken from lesson number 4. It is taken from lesson 4. Okay, there are lessons in that. So this is the line of refer. Let's see what are they asking in this refer. Who hears the footstep and when? Who heard the footstep? Obviously Mr. Otis. In this Mr. Otis. Here it is. Mr. Otis was awakened. When he awake, he heard the footstep and some sound which was coming from the corridor. Okay. So who heard this? Mr. Otis. Who is making the strange noise and why? Obviously, here the strange noise was made by the ghost, and where it was coming? Where it was coming? It was coming from the corridor to scare Mr. Otis. Got it? Now let's see what is its part C. In the part C, what did the person who heard the footstep do after this? After hearing the footstep, what did he do? He gave lubricator. इसमें क्या हुआ था? On in this the person found this ghost and think that the chain he was wearing in the hand and in the neck was rusty. So he gave him a lubricator. He gave him a lubricator to polish the chain. This is the answer of part C. He gave him a lubricator to polish the chain. It is the refer to text completed. Now exercise C, words and meaning. In this they are saying the vowels are missing in these words from the story. What are they? Means from these words the vowels are hidden. You have to make the complete word by these consonant word. It is CNCLDD. It is concluded. This is patriotism, telegraphed, housemates, pigeon, unconscious, achievements, etiquettes. Got it? After completing this, you will come on question number 2. To make a list of the name for the places mentioned in the story, write a sentence about each. कितने places story में mention किए गए हैं? ठीक है? You will do this by yourself. इसमें Ascot and Bolton mention किया गया है. You make to write the sentences of these. Got? Now the hyphenated word. They are asking about the hyphenated word. Which are the hyphenated verb in this question number 3? He behaved in an old-fashioned manner. Old-fashioned will take the hyphen here. Okay, old-fashioned. And grand aunt will take the hyphen. Stained glass in sentence B will take the hyphen. Number C, the blood stained. The blood stained obviously will take the hyphen. The blood stained carpet was clearly evident at 10:30 at night. In sentence number D, two little white robed figure, because it is adjective. With adjective hyphen is a sign of punctuation. With two adjective, it is one noun and the other is adjective. It is pointed out. Figure appeared at the foot of the dining room cupboard. Got it? In sentence number 5, it is the chameleon light. It will take the hyphen. Color appeared whenever the palsy twitching. Palsy will take the hyphen after twitching. Finger appeared at the window. Got it? Now language. In the language it is very easy. There are some words like this. Explain in your words that you think is meant by the following. Paying special attention to the words in italic. Italic words you need to explain the italic words. Like this. So where were not even those primary conditions of receptive expectation which so often precedes the presentation of physical phenomena. This sentence was said when the people were saying, when the Prime Minister was saying, Mr. Otis was saying that there is no expectation for the ghost, and he came from the country where these kind of things are not believed. So it was just because no expectation for ghost. You have to explain this line like this. In sentence number 2, lubricant is being explained, so you need to explain about the lubricant detergent. In sentence number 3, they are asking about the effectiveness after Virginia came the twins. आप explain कर रहे थे. Virginia was the young girl and twins were the two little boys of the family. The boy of Mr. and Mrs. Otis, who were usually called the stars and strips as they were always getting switched. Okay, you need to explain this. Number 4 sentence, and from his wrist and ankles hung heavy manacles and rusty gyves. Means this line is explaining about the rusty chains of the ghost. Ghost was having some rusty chains. You need to explain it. In number 5, ghost will scare Mr. Otis. It is being explained here that ghost will scare Mr. Otis like this. Now you have to complete all the exercise. Means these all comprehension which I explained, you will do it by yourself. I have told you from which paragraph you can take help. You need to answer it in a proper way. As I told you, question number 1 is on lesson number 2. Question number 2 is where I have told you in all this video. Refer to context I have explained. You will answer it now in your own words. And all these exercise. Allah Hafiz.